Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my week 2 check-in, so we're going to jump right on into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Janelle and I do all things budgeting. I also include work week lunches, grocery hauls, and meal planning. So if that is something that you're interested in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So we're going to be doing my week 2 check-in just a little bit differently this week, and we're going to see how this works going for me going forward. However, I've already filled out my transaction log. So this week is going to be the 6th through the 12th. So here you guys will get to see my transactions. So I just had a few transactions from the 6th to the 12th. So on the 6th, I went to Target and I spent $24.83. And that was money that was technically already budgeted in my monthly budget to get my godson a gift. I just need to hopefully be able to go on Tuesday if this weather here in Texas clears up so that I can mail his gift to him in time for his birthday. On the 7th, I went to Fiesta, which is a local grocery store. It was unbudgeted, and this is where all my money continues to go, is towards food. But we decided to do a Jamaican dish, and so I charged $32.97 to my Citi credit card. And then these were just some regular payments. And then on the 12th, I bought some Chick-fil-A on my Citi card. I stepped out of work for a little bit. I was really trying to have a healthier option, and that option was not there. So I ended up caving in and going to Chick-fil-A. So those were pretty much kind of like my outside expenses. I paid back my well, not paid back in full, but I paid my statement balance for PayPal, so I didn't incur any interest. And then I paid my Discover so that I didn't incur any interest on any of those as well either. Netflix came out on time, and then I keep forgetting about Acorns, but they took out their $3 for their subscription. So that was what kind of happened this week in terms of transactions. So we're actually going to go to my dashboard. And I'm still just using this highlighter because I kind of just prefer using the highlighter right now. So I'm going to highlight all of the spots where I have spent like miscellaneous money. I am not going to include Target because it was budgeted, like I said. So we're going to go to the 7th. So we had a charge here. And then we had a charge on the 12th. All right. And those were my miscellaneous charges. And now that we're talking, y'all, I'm looking for my no spend stickers because I did not remember to take them out. Okay, so I have them right here to make sure I can document my no spends. So we had, like I said, on the 7th, we did Fiesta, and I'm just going to put a C for Citi, and that was for $32. And what was the change? Was it 92 cents? Yes, 97 cents. And then on the 12th, I went to Chick-fil-A, and that was also on my Citi card, and that was for $7 and what was it? 67 cents. All right, and now we're going to actually go into the good stuff, and we're going to look at my Good Budget app where I house all of my cashless cash envelopes and, y'all, now all of my sinking funds, which I will talk to you guys about in another video. But you'll kind of see here that I have all of my cashless envelopes here and then all of my sinking funds here. If you're new to my channel, I do sort of a digital budget, and I've been looking for an app that I can house both like my sinking funds and my cashless cash envelopes into. I have a subscriber who sent me this lovely tracking sheet on Google Sheets that I still use as well too. But then I realized that I did have 10 envelopes or free envelopes that I can use for like annual or irregular funds, which I could just still set up as my savings, my sinking funds account. So I did go ahead and add that. There is one missing, if you guys kind of realize that, and that's my 30th birthday. But I went ahead and added it into fun since that 30th birthday is not going to be a continuous sinking fund. So no more of that. Let's get into the cash is cash envelope so we can see what my budgeting looks like. And you guys, this app is not sponsored or anything like that. I just really, really, really enjoy this app. It's just so convenient for me. So I have, I bought groceries on the 6th, and I went to HEB and I went to Target. And then I got gas on the 7th. And then I did a small little household budget, and that was also on the 6th. And I'm just doing these yellow marks first so that they can dry so I can actually write the number in. Also on the 6th, I went to Target for personal items. And then lastly, we had miscellaneous. And I technically spent some money with miscellaneous and I need to pay it back, but until I pay it back, I am not going to count it as money that I have actually paid. So, with that being said, we're going to go back to groceries. So, I went to HEB and I spent $62.12. And then I also went to Target and did a small haul there, and it was very small. It was $8.49 worth of a small haul. For gas, I said this in my week one that I did buy gas in week one. However, it hadn't posted to my account yet because I use my Walmart credit card and then pay it back so I can get the 5% in points. So it cleared on the 7th and I was able to make that payment. And so we're going to put Sam's Club, and that was for $40.73. So y'all can see how I'm needing to up my budget when it comes to my gas, because even though I'm not driving that far, gas is just getting way too out of hand for my liking. For household, I did buy a couple of things at Target, and that was for $22.44. Also at Target, I did a personal run and I spent $14.56. And then, like I said, I did spend something for miscellaneous, but it has not posted to my account yet. So once it does, I'll go ahead and make that payment and then count it in. It's going to be for week 3 and just count it in there. But that was money that was already allocated. So you guys, I did pretty well. I've been doing my best to try to make sure that I'm not doing too much of miscellaneous spending. However, when I do, it's pretty much just always for food. I just feel like I'm not very prepared in my new house for food. I'm just buying all of these random things and I'm just trying to get myself together and do just one huge haul just to kind of make sure everything is there. But we'll see how that goes. I'll probably do it towards the end of the month and just spend the money and get it out of the way. I am here just putting down my no spend stickers because I really did have a successful week and I am proud of myself. Technically, okay, that was a no spend. That was a no spend, but I need to add one for the 6th. So we'll put one up here as well. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 no spends. That is so stinking awesome. And even though I had 2 days where I spent money, it was under $50 for all of the purchases together. So I did very good. So now we're going to go to my actual weekly check-in, and we're going to calculate all of the money that I've actually spent. Whoops, that I've actually spent, what I have left, and how much money I'm going to go ahead and roll over into my savings. And this is actually going to be fun because I'm going to show you guys how I actually roll over the money from here into here. So this is the money that I rolled over into week 2. I had $103 for groceries, $70 for gas, $70 for household, $22 for personal, $13 for miscellaneous, and what was this? Wait a minute. Sinking funds. What am I getting at? Oh my gosh, y'all, I just had a huge brain fart. And $0 for sinking funds. Whoa there. Okay, so so we're gonna start off with groceries. So we have $32.39. So we're gonna go to my calculator. We're gonna do 103. Whoops. Come on. Okay, so we have $103 minus $32.39. Is that what I said? I have $32.39. Yes. So that means that I spent $70.61. And that leaves me with $32.39. I always roll over my change, which leaves me with $32. And then we're going to go here and we're going to do, I wonder, yeah, so we're going to do envelope transfer. And so we're going to go envelope transfer here. We're going to do amount, which is going to be 39 cents. And we're going to do it from groceries to savings 1. Voila! And it's going to get 39 cents. I'm going to change the date to the 12th. Even though today's the 13th, I always like to keep the dates where they're supposed to be. And then we're going to save, and bam, that money's out of my groceries and into my savings. So if I go to my savings 1, we will see that 39 cents was added, quote unquote, on the 12th. Now we are going to go back up and we're going to go to gas. So I know that I spent $40.73, which left me at $29.27 minus the 27 cents leaves me with 29. And we are also going to go here and we're going to go to envelope transfer. We are going to do 27 cents. We're going to change the transfer date to the 12th. And then we are going from our gas fund to my savings 1 fund. And bam, that money has been transferred. Now we're going to go to household. I know that I spent $22.44, and that left me with $47.56. We're rolling over the 56, which leaves me at 47. And we are going to go ahead and transfer this money. Y'all, I just absolutely love this. When I figured out that I can do this part, what was this? This is household. When I figured out that I could do the actual envelope transfer within the app, like I was so giddy, like it was Christmas. I was like, oh my gosh, this app is just doing everything that I would want it to do and so much more. So if you guys are looking for a way to do a digital budget, I love this. It syncs to, I think, like 5 different devices, and it's all free. You get 10 cashless, like you get 10 cash envelopes and then 10 like sinking funds or annual funds or anything like that. And it is super simple and super easy to use. Now we are going to my personal. So I spent $14.56, which left me with $7.44. Of course, we're going to roll over the 44, which leaves me with 7, and we're going to go ahead and transfer that. That is going to be 44 cents. That's coming out of my personal and going, of course, into my savings one. Oops, I actually want to change the date on here to the 12th so that they're all the same. And then lastly, we are going to go to my miscellaneous. So I'm not sure what happened here. I have $12.92. So I had $15. I added $15, which left me at $16. Minus 2 left me at $13.90, and I should have $13. Y'all, I don't know where this 90 cents came from on the 5th. So $13.90. I am so confused. Oh, because this should have been 218. I did say that I needed to fix this. So this was 218. And so actually we need to go back here and fix this. Oh, this is going to throw all of my numbers off because this was um 93 cents. So if we do, let's go back here. Let's fix that and then we are good to go. Whoops, why is this still coming back up? So we're going to do 16 minus $2.18, which actually equals 13.82. So let's fix this. It should be 13.82 minus 82 cents, which would give me $13. And so here I have 92 cents. So I need to, I did 90. I need to take off, am I adding 8 cents back to this, y'all? To give me 13? Yes, I think that's what it is. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. So we're going to do add income and just add 8 cents back. I think that's what I need to do here. Y'all tell me if I'm doing this right, but I think that's what I need to do because I ended off with $13 regardless. And I took out 90 cents instead of 82 cents. So I need to give myself back 8 cents. So we are going to do, or should I just keep it at where it's at because I've already put this money over? Actually, yeah, we're just going to keep this here. So I am going to put that I have $12.92 in here and nothing was spent. And this is $12.92 minus 92 cents, which gives me $12. That's what I'm going to do. So we are going to now go back here. I just figured out what I wanted to do, y'all. Taking you guys for the ride. So 92 cents. And we're doing an envelope transfer from miscellaneous to savings one. And that is going to be, of course, for the 12th. And we save that. And I kind of solved the situation there, hopefully. So this says 127, and I'll double check in my accounts. However, we're going to add up all of, I don't know why this keeps coming up, y'all. We're going to add up everything. So it's going to be 39 cents plus 27 cents plus 56. Oh, let's fix that. 0.56 plus 0.44 plus 0.92 equals $2.58 that was rolled over. And so we're actually just going to make sure that this adds up with what's in the book. So we're going to go to our sinking funds. It's $2.58. Savings one. So we're going to do 212. And we're going to have CR. And this is going to be a credit of $2.58. So that plus $38.95 equals $41.53. And then we're going to go back to the Good Budget app and we're going to make sure that I have that same number here, which is 41.53. So I did finally get the math right. And y'all, that actually concludes. Oh no, quickly. We had one thing for my household budget that I needed to calculate in here for you guys. So on the 7th, I believe it was, our water bill came out and it was for 105.51. And let me look at my cheat sheet to see where it left me or left us at. I probably could just do the math on my computer, on my laptop, but that left us at 2880.06. Yeah, 2880.06. That is terrible because you can't see that, but I still have another view of it here so I know going forward how to calculate it. But you guys, that is everything for week 2. We went over all of my miscellaneous spending, my household spending, and all of my cashless cash envelope spending. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.